This is preparation for my next big adventure. And so we are finally off. 2:50 crossing on Eurotunnel and no chance of an earlier one, so we're just waiting to board. Next stop, France. Time to go to France. So one of the joys of being on a budget is that we have to cross when it's cheap. And so we got here about 5 o'clock this morning. The crossing took a bit longer than it was supposed to. We came in on the tunnel and we're here in Sangat. And we just parked up. It's just maybe a 5-10 minute drive from the tunnel, and this beautiful Aire de Semaphore. It's got spaces beautifully marked out. We were the only ones here last night, and that there is the channel. Superb. Falling over my own feet. Hi! And there we are. Beautiful view back towards England. It's a glorious day, even for the depths of winter. And there we are. Sunshine. So just because my French pronunciation is a bit rubbish. Just want to do this for you guys. This is the place, Sanguete, right near Calais Coquelles, for a beautiful free overnighter. Hello! He's so deaf, seriously. Do a shadow. That's all right.